In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Blink app on Android. By the end, you'll have the official Blink Home Monitor app installed and ready to open, so you can manage your Blink cameras and other compatible smart home devices from your phone. First, make sure you're on a reliable internet connection. Any Android device with access to the Google Play Store will work, and you'll eventually need a Blink account to use the app with your cameras. If you already have one, great. If not, don't worry. You can set that up inside the app later. For now, let's focus on getting the correct app installed safely. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the trusted place to download Android apps. Once it's open, tap the search bar at the top and type Blink Home Monitor. Type it exactly like that to narrow down the results. You'll see several apps appear, but you're looking for the one named Blink Home Monitor. To make sure it's the real deal, check that it's the official listing from Blink, an Amazon company. The app page will show the name clearly, and you can glance at the developer information, ratings, and reviews to confirm you're in the right place. This is important because there are similarly named apps that aren't associated with Blink. If the publisher isn't Blink or Amazon, back out and choose the correct listing. Once you've opened the official app page, tap Install. The download will begin, and depending on your connection, it may take a moment. If you're conserving mobile data, it's a good idea to be on Wi-Fi while installing. When the installation finishes, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the app immediately, or you can find it later on your home screen or in your app drawer under the name Blink Home Monitor. On first launch, the app may ask for a few permissions, like notifications or access to your camera for setup tasks. You can choose how you want to handle those and adjust them in your phone's settings later if needed. Remember, the app is designed to work with Blink cameras and select smart home devices, and it relies on an internet connection to function properly. With the app installed, you're ready to sign in with your Blink account or create one inside the app when you're ready. And that's it. Open the Google Play Store, search for Blink Home Monitor, tap the correct official result, install it, and open it. Stick to the official listing, and you'll be set up safely in no time.